Beta, in previous lecture we discussed that how France abolished the constitutional monarchy and it became a republic. Do you know what is the meaning of republic? Beta, republic means the head of the country, it is elected by the citizen. It will not be a hereditary ruler. And there so many political club came into existence, and Jacobin club was very famous in this. And its leader Maximilian Robespierre, he was very impressive person, and under his guidance now they formed a new assembly and it was known as convention. And do you know the reign of Jacobin club, this Maximilian Robespierre, it is known as the reign of terror because he ruled very strictly. So let us start the topic. Convention. The newly elected assembly was called the convention. On 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France a republic. It means now the ruler of the country will be elected by the public. Louis XVI was sentenced to death on the charge of treason. Treason means betrayal against the government. And do you know that his reign is known as the reign of terror? The period from 1793 to 1794 is considered as the reign of terror. Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. All enemies of the republic, ex-nobles, clergy, members of other political parties, even members of his own party who didn't agree with his methods, they were arrested, imprisoned and tried by a revolutionary tribunal, and if they found guilty, they were guillotined. Because this guillotine, it was a device in that two poles were there and in center of that one blade was there. By that blade, they can behead a person, and this was invented by Dr. Guillotine. That is why it is named after his name. Government issued laws placing maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Means overall control was by the government. Meat and bread were rationed. Peasants were forced to sell their grain in cities at the prices fixed by government. Use of white flour was forbidden. And all the citizens, they were forced to eat equality bread. Equality was also practiced through forms of speech and address. Now, how the equality was practiced through address, beta? Earlier, the French people, they were known as the sir and madame. But now, all of those, they were known as the citizen of France. Their churches were shut down because churches were the symbol of clergy. So those were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or offices. Robespierre pursued his policies so strictly, even his supporters began to demand moderation. Finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794, arrested, and on the next day he was also sent to the guillotine. So this way Jacobin club, it came into existence and it just passed on also. And do you know, after that directory rule came into existence? This topic we will discuss in next lecture. And today I will send some questions based on all these topics, that how the constitutional monarchy was abolished, how the Jacobin club came into existence, and how that Maximilian Robespierre reign, it is known as the reign of terror. So all of you, please do your work regularly. Thank you and have a nice day.